Want to create a white label dashboard in Vendasta but don't know where to start? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to set up your own branded dashboard quickly and easily. By the end, you'll know how to create a white label solution that reflects your brand, gives you full control, and makes managing your clients' needs a breeze. Stick around, because I'll also share how you can get started with Vendasta for free, and trust me, you don't want to miss that. Now, the first thing you need to know is that Vendasta makes it incredibly easy to create a white label dashboard, which you can fully customize to match your brand. This means your clients won't know that you're using third-party software, and your business looks completely professional. When you set up your white label dashboard, you're essentially creating a portal that you and your clients can use to manage everything from marketing tools to client reports. Next thing, once you've logged into your Vendasta account, you'll head over to the dashboard section where you can start customizing. First, you can upload your own logo. This is a simple step, but really important because it helps you make the dashboard feel like your own branded platform. You can also adjust the color scheme to match your brand's colors. Now, the third thing you should do is explore the options to customize the navigation bar. This is where you'll organize everything your clients need to see. You can choose which tools and reports are most important for your clients and make sure those are easily accessible. It's all about making the user experience seamless so they don't get lost in a maze of options. The fourth thing is setting up user permissions. With Vendasta, you have full control over what your clients can see and do within the dashboard. You can create different roles for users and assign permissions based on what's most relevant for them. For instance, maybe you want your clients to only view reports but not make any changes. You can lock down certain sections for your client's protection. After that, you'll want to customize the email notifications. This is an often overlooked feature, but super important. You can ensure that your clients get branded email notifications from you, not Vendasta. This keeps your communication consistent and professional, reinforcing your brand every time they receive an update. Lastly, once you've finished with these customizations, you can share your new white label dashboard with your clients. They'll log in, see their tailored tools and reports, and have a seamless experience that feels like it's 100% your product. It's really that simple. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Vendasta for free with our exclusive bonuses. This is a great opportunity to explore the platform without any upfront costs and see how it can benefit your business. Don't miss out. Use the first link below to claim your extended free trial. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for the link to get started with Vendasta.